Gus, what are you doing?
I'm Hercules.
That's King Arthur. It has nothing to do with Greek mythology.
Welcome to Drinking Dirty! What's up, my Age of Mythology nerds? Today, I'm going to show you how to become immortal. We're going to make ambrosia, which is the nectar of the gods, believed to give them immortality. It's said that it was given to the gods every morning by doves. So let's do the same. Alright, we're going to start with 2 ounces of kettle wine, peach and orange blossom, vodka, 1 ounce of liquid gold, the juice of 1 lemon, 2 ounces of white cranberry deliciousness, ice. And just like in Greek mythology, we're gonna deliver it in a dove. I have added gold flakes on the inside to simulate golden apples of immortality. Cheers, my malacas.
Gotta show some love to my boy Hades, the god of the underworld. We're making Hades' signature cocktail. Handful of mint, about 8 pieces. Half an ounce of agave nectar. And we're gonna muddle. 1.5 ounces of your favorite mezcal to mimic the smoky fires of the underworld. Finish off with 1/2 ounce of pomegranate juice, Hades' favorite fruit. Ice. Shake. Strain over fresh ice. And we're going to garnish with some mint for a little Hades flair. Take half a hollowed lime. And a little secret, we're going to put a little marshmallow in there. Makes it easier to light on fire. Slowly toasted marshmallow. Alright, once it's split, you can dash it with some cinnamon and it sparks. Gus?
Opa,
Opa.
my malacas.
What's malacas?
Malaka means good friend in Greek.
Good to know.
Yeah. So what's your drink like?
So, mine's inspired by Hades, the god of the underworld, and of course his wife Persephone. So they have a garden down there. One of the main fruits and vegetables associated with Hades is mint and pomegranate.
What a weird thing, like, oh yeah, I'm the god of the underworld and my plants are mint and pomegranate.
It's like his dating bio. I like long walks on the beach, mint, pomegranate, and dead souls.
And I'm the king of the underworld. Mine is ambrosia, or ambrosia. No, not the marshmallow, disgusting holiday salad.
Forgot about that.
What's that?
I forgot about that.
Oh yeah, never forget. Anyway, so it's like, it's supposed to be the nectar of the gods that a dove brings to them every morning to keep their eternal life. And there's also a lot of like myths about golden apples and stuff like that. So I figured we'll put some gold flakes in it. That's like legit gold that I've had for a while for this purpose. So yeah, it's just like, and it gets delivered to them every morning via dove. So nectar, dove, gold.
Fair.
And you drink it out of its bunghole. That's the only way.
So I'm a huge Greek mythology nerd. Like, we had to learn this stuff in middle school, and
Sure.
I just loved it since then. And of course, Hercules existing helped. Do you have a favorite version of like Greek mythology in like movies or TV?
Sure, dude. Like I've always been a huge fan. When I was a kid, like I used to read like the books my mom would have, and I would like really read up into it. And yeah, I mean, like there's the classic The Odyssey, like
Yeah.
well, not the Homer book, but like the movie from
Yeah.
like the '90s or whatever. But by far, my favorite, versions of it are definitely Age of Mythology or Age of Empires.
The video game?
Yeah, the
Okay.
computer video game Age of Mythology. Holy crap! It opened up my eyes to like all that kind of stuff. It could be so much fun. And more recently, Assassin's Creed Odyssey. What's up?
I had no idea Assassin's Creed had anything to do with Greek mythology.
Yeah, so it's like they expanded their universe, and now it's that you can play in the Greek mythology, and like you meet like Socrates, or like they say Socrates, and you meet like all these like historical people from the Odyssey.
That's cool.
Yeah, so like it's post the Odyssey, but you get to meet all these people of ancient mythology, and it's super fun. I mean, you just walk around with like a giant hammer or sword and just fuck some imaginary dudes up. It's amazing.
That's fair.
Yeah, fucking great. Of course, Hercules from Disney. I mean, come on, fucking
Classic.
soundtrack. Fuck.
They really need to make that a live action before Danny DeVito moves on in the world.
Oh my god, yes. Who's the person from soundtrack? Is it Phil Collins?
Yeah, I think so. Wait, is it Phil Collins or is it or is that one? Now we gotta find out. Google. Michael Bolton. So one of my favorites is they made like a young adult novel series called Percy Jackson.
From zero to hero. Yeah, Percy Jackson. I love Percy Jackson.
I loved those books so much. And the movies, not so great.
The movies are fucking dope. I think the movies were great.
But best news that I heard is that the author himself did not like the movies either.
Jane's one of those people that goes like, yeah, the movie was okay, but wait till you read the books. The books were way better.
No,
No one wants to hear that shit. The movies were amazing.
No, even better, the author didn't like the movies, so he is now working with Disney on making a series. So Disney's making a whole new series, and I'm super excited.
For the Percy Jackson
Yeah.
series, I think the last ones I saw was like the Lightning Thief. What? I think he has like 3 movies out, right?
I think they only ever made 2, but there's like a ton of books.
The movies were great. Disney's been killing it with the new series.
Oh, they're so good. Mandalorian, of course.
Oh yeah, that was pretty good. You're right. Like the books always tend to be better than movies because it like
So much detail.
yeah, like you know what? I read all the Harry Potter books.
Of course. Me too.
When the last book came out, when the second part of the last book came out, I read that shit. Oh wait, no, it wasn't. The movie was 2 parts. The book was one part.
I cried so hard when Dumbledore died.
Dude, I stayed overnight reading the book because I was like, holy shit, I gotta read this. And then they came out with like Tales of Beetle the Bard, which was a book inside the book. I mean, holy crap.
Inception.
Talk about mythology. No, yeah, but you know, I've always been a big fan of Greek mythology. Like, of course, like Egyptian and stuff like that, but it's just like, it's so like, it pretty much molded the world.
It did. It
So-
really changed the way that storytelling is done. Like Greek mythology is like one of the prime examples. And a lot of stories that we see even now are some kind of variations of either Greek mythology stories or like Shakespearean stuff,
Yeah, for sure.
which is cool.
Also, I love gold.
I love gold.
I'm gonna have a someday moment. Wow.
Wow. Listen, I am a massive fan of
Cheers.
Zeus. I have a lightning bolt tattoo on my ribs for that reason.
You have a Zeus tattoo?
I have a lightning bolt tattoo
Oh.
in honor of Zeus.
Cool. Yeah, I don't have any tattoos, but I think if I was to have a favorite mythological, Greek mythological character, it would be Dionysius.
That makes sense for you.
Was it Dionysius or Dionysius?
Dionysus, the god
Dionysus.
of party
In Greek, it's Dionysio.
and
but-
wine.
Yeah, Dionysus. Yeah, that would be me, baby. That would be my patron god or whatever you call it.
Sounds about right.
Yeah. Wine, song, and naps, I guess. I don't know. What else do you like? It's the pleasure. The pleasures of life. That's why you're in this world, to enjoy it. Don't waste it eating unsalted crackers. Get yourself a
Consulted cracker.
granola bar. Get excited.
Well, on that note,
Blend oatmeal. You get what I'm saying?
yes. On that note, let us know who your favorite Greek god is or goddess. Don't forget about them.
Yeah. So make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, let us know what your mythological creatures are. Enjoy a gold cocktail on me, something from the underworld, and read the books, my nerds.
Opa.
Malacas.